In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Whop. By the end, you'll have a card saved to your account so you can check out and manage subscriptions without re-entering your details every time. First, open your browser and go to your Whop dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want the payment method to be associated with. The dashboard is your main home feed on Whop, where you see your products, memberships, and updates. Once you're on the dashboard, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page and click on the profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or circle that represents your account. When you click it, a menu will drop down with several options related to your profile and account. From that drop down, look for the gear icon, which represents settings, and click on it. This will open your main account settings page where you can control things like your profile details, security, and billing information. On the left-hand side, or within the settings menu, find and click on Payment Methods. This section is specifically for managing how you pay on Whop. Here, you'll be able to add new cards, and later on you can also remove or update them if anything changes. On the Payment Methods page, click on the button that says Add Payment Method. This will open a secure form where you can enter your card details. Always make sure you're on the official Whop site and that the page is using a secure connection before entering any payment information. Click into the card number field and carefully type in your credit or debit card number. Try to double check each group of digits as you go to avoid errors. Next, click into the expiration date field and add the month and year exactly as shown on your card. Then, click into the CVC or security code field and enter the 3 or 4 digit code from your card. After that, click into the name field and type the full name exactly as it appears on the card. Next, open the country drop-down and select your country. Below that, click into the address line and enter your billing address that matches the address on file with your card provider. When everything looks correct, click on the Add button to save your new payment method. Whop will process the details, and your card should now appear in your list of payment methods, ready